Last week I went to Sushi's place for a 5 cm lift and new tires. So in this video I will turn the Jimny into a submarine by installing this snorkel. And I never done this before, but I have a fully spec'd out workshop, so I think I have all the tools to get the job done. I bought this snorkel for €200 by Force in Anneland, and if you don't want to do this job, they have an install service. Pay them the money and let them install the snorkel, so you don't have to do this and get the tools. But I think it's a fun job to do, and if it's installed, it makes me proud, of course, that I did it myself. And the only instruction that you get with this snorkel is this template that you put on your fender, and then you know where to drill. No other written instructions or pictures or anything, so that's a little bit lacking. And the brand of this snorkel is an AirTech snorkel for Suzuki Jimny from 98 up to 2018. Now the battery is out, I can do another job, that is route an extra multi cables with 7 cables from the cabin to the engine bay. So what I can do with it is put extra lights on the roof and cable it in. And that is much easier if the battery is already out. And here is a rubber grommet. I think I have it on the correct spot, so yeah, there's no going back now. I'm just gonna do it, and I hope it will fit, and otherwise I will just fix it that it will fit. You need to make a hole of 81 millimeters, and I saw some videos where they do really a hack job with the wrong tools, but I have a hole saw which is 79 millimeters, and then take a file and just make it to 81 millimeters. So yeah, let's do this, and there's no going back now. I done it! There's a big hole in here. I think it fits already pretty well, so I need to measure the hole and just use the file a little bit, but I don't think it needs to be much bigger than this. Exactly 79 millimeters. I installed the mounting thread, so let's see if it fits. Here it fits, here it almost fits, and here the hole is not really on the exact spot. So I need to file this one out, this one a little bit, but I think it will work. All the bare metal is now protected with paint, so now I need to install the snorkel, but I need to be really careful that I don't scratch any of the paint. kit comes with all the hardware to mount a snorkel. The included hose clamp isn't working, it's just skipping the hole, so I need to find another one. This bracket is also included in the kit and that goes here. I think the logo or the brand sticker is missing, it's not in the box, but that's normally ugly. So what I'm gonna do is put my own sticker on it, my 3DFX sticker. And this is the sticker from my main channel, Retro Machines, about old computers with a focus on 3DFX. The Airbox isn't watertight because there's a little hole in the bottom to let the water out. So what would you do to make this watertight? Because if you plug it, I think your Airbox will be underwater. So it still needs to be functional. I need a solution if I go into a river that I can block it off. The snorkel is installed on the Jimny and it looks amazing. And how easy is it to do it yourself? I think if you have some experience with coating holes in metal and have the right tools, it's easily doable yourself. If you are thinking this is too much to do yourself, go to an installer, they do it for you, and then you don't have to drill holes in your own side panel. But for me this Jimny is like, it's already old and it already has some damage, so drilling extra holes for me, it's not a problem. And this upgrade is pretty affordable, only €200. In the description I will put a link to Volkje voor Sint-Anneland where I picked it up, or use Amazon links to buy a kit like this. If you like to support me, you can make a donation on my Ko-fi page or use my Amazon affiliated links. And thanks for watching.